Hello, my name is Fran Adar, a Raman application scientist at HORIBA Scientific, and this is Tips and Tricks for Raman Spectroscopy. Today we will see a tip for measuring the Raman spectrum of a crystalline material. Looking at a crystalline powder sample, we see the relative intensities of spectral bands change as we jump from particle to particle. If you need to identify your sample by searching in a library, the match quality index may be lower than expected. This is because crystals of your sample have different orientations relative to the laser's polarization direction and the instrument's response function, and therefore produce spectra with bands of different relative intensities. I'm Fran Adar from HORIBA Scientific, and this has been Tips and Tricks for Raman Spectroscopy. Thanks for watching.